Behind me is a 50-year-old Volkswagen camper van. It hasn't been used for 6 weeks because life has just got in the way. But today I'm determined we're going to use it and go for a day out. That's on the assumption that it actually starts. Let's see what happens. So far so good. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Oh no, we have life. We have life. This day out may happen yet. Well, the van seems to be running okay. So far so good, as they say. Touch wood. In lieu of any wood, I'll touch my noggin. The reason we're going out today is because, as I said earlier, life has kind of conspired over the last few weeks to get in the way and prevent us from using the van. And I've been working away, a few weekends I've been travelling, and when I have been available, the weather's been rubbish and we haven't had a chance to get the van out. So today I said, you know what, regardless of what happens, we're going out for the day. Nearly at our destination. So far so good. No odd noises, odd smells, anything else. Gear changes working okay. So fingers crossed we will be able to turn the van off and have some lunch and get back home again, and it will start. We're on the North Norfolk coast. It was about a half an hour drive to get to where we are, and we've got the sea behind us and the cliffs. Hopefully they're in shot and you can see those. It's a glorious early spring day in the UK. Sun's quite warm, low wind, so we're going to take a wander into town and then come back and set up and have some lunch. Perfectly honest with you, there's a lot of life changes going on at the moment. The kids are growing up really rapidly. They're not kids anymore, they're 22 and 24, and I've got genuinely no idea how I ended up with a 22 and a 24-year-old. Our son is buying his first house. He's going to be moving out in about 3 weeks' time, and you know, dealing with these changes that growing old throws at us. And yeah, it's a strange time, and yeah, I don't really know what to say about it. Kind of just taking the time to process it. Days out like this help me do that. Just clear my head, get to somewhere I like being, beside the sea, beside the beach, or on the beach, beside the beach. What an idiot. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you feel the same. I'd be interested to know if I'm the only person going through this in midlife. Time to head back to the van and set up and have some lunch. Like an episode of MasterChef. Actually, if I'm involved in the cooking, it's probably more like Ramsay's Kitchen Nightmares. Gourmet outdoor cooking. Believe that, you'll believe anything. Well, I think I may have said this before, but there's worse places to have your lunch, I'm sure.
Looking at a bin.
You know, don't look at the bin. Look at something a bit more scenic in the distance. Don't focus on the bin.
And the caravans.
Yeah. Caravans are eminently more scenic than a bin. What would you rather be doing? This or DIY?
I like doing DIY.
You're a weirdo, aren't you? I'd rather be sat here in the sun watching the world go by. After a bit more life contemplation and a little bit of a doze, well, let's be honest, more of a doze than actual life contemplation, it was time to pack up. Now, let's see, will the van start and get us home? He's very well behaved on the way here. Never in doubt.
Does the van sound a bit funny?
No, sounds all right to me. I think it might be where we were coming through town and you had the window open. You get the noise of the engine kind of bouncing off the walls. So I don't think it's anything wrong. Don't do that to me. I'll be worried the whole way home now, thinking there's something wrong with the van. Sounds all right to me. Sounds normal. Pulling normally. Yeah, I think we're okay. Well, I'm glad we made the effort to come out today. We could have easily just stayed at home and not taken the chance. But as I said earlier, life just rushes past when you're middle-aged. Well, that seems to be happening to me. So we are just taking the opportunities to get out as much as we can. There's always going to be time to do DIY when the weather's bad. And given the choice of doing DIY or going out for the day, I'm always going to take the choice of going out for the day, I'm afraid. No disrespect to DIY, but it's not getting done while the sun is shining. Well, that was a fantastic day out. I'm so glad that we took the chance and decided to go for it and just not stay at home. We could have easily done that. I really hope you've enjoyed it. So whoever you are, wherever you are, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you the next time.